Did you know hiccups might be a message from a body you no longer have? Every time you hiccup, a reflex fires deep in your nervous system. And that reflex is almost identical to the one ancient fish used to pump water over their gills, hundreds of millions of years before lungs existed. Your brain still runs that old code. It just has nothing useful to do with it anymore. So the next time hiccups hit you, that's not an accident. That's a 400 million-year-old gill reflex, still showing up to a job it lost long ago.